Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll show you how to connect Slack with Claude AI in 2026. So whether you're collaborating with your team, managing projects, answering questions, or searching past conversations, connecting Slack with Claude can help you work more efficiently without constantly switching between the two apps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to connect Slack to Claude, authorize your workspace, and start using your Slack conversations directly inside Claude. All right, so the first thing we're going to be doing here is signing into Claude AI. So go to claudeai.com or .ai and then sign into your account. So once you're logged in, you arrive on the Claude dashboard. So if you don't already have an account, create one using your email address and complete the verification process. Now the second step you're going to be taking is opening the connectors page. So head over to customize, click on connectors, and as you can see, I have Notion connected, which means you can connect other web apps. Just click on the add and then click on browse connectors. And then the search you're going to be making is for Slack. So go ahead and type in Slack. All right, and you can see here it says send messages, create canvases, and fetch Slack data. So you can draft Sean a message about attending our next startup, or take last week's updates and draft Jerome a message recapping everything. So they basically showed you what you can do and what you can achieve. So you can connect to Slack to share messages and create canvases directly to simplify collaboration and boost productivity. Now you can also search and retrieve messages, go through the channels. You can search channels, you can receive messages from channels, threads, files, users. You can also search for threads, files, and users, which gives Claude the context to streamline your work. All right, so basically what we're going to be doing here is signing in. So the next step is authorizing Claude's access to your Slack workspace. How does that actually work? A Slack login or signing page will appear once you click on connect. So go ahead and click on connect here. It's going to load up the Slack to Claude connection. Just review the permissions that Slack would require and also review the permissions that Claude is requesting. Now, also allow the connection. You have to allow the connection from Slack and Claude or Claude and Slack. After a few seconds, you'll be redirected back to Claude. So this is what it looks like in main perspectives. You'd be shown the login or the sign in option. So just go ahead and sign in. I'm currently already signed in. So all we need to do is just wait for the page to load in, give the access, and then, proceed. All right, so go ahead and click on allow, but before then, please review the app permissions so you know what you're letting Claude access, like content and information about you, content and info about your channels and conversations. So please be careful with what you reveal to Slack or reveal to Claude, and then the actions that Claude can take. So it can send messages on your behalf. It can also add, edit, and also manage your public channels or create new ones. So we can go ahead and untick this option if you don't want that, or tick it. Now a few of them are grayed out because you have to actually manage those permissions if you don't want things like that happening. There is an option here that you could stop them from performing actions in the channels. You can also stop them from sharing your info and everything about your workspace. All right, so once the access has been given to Claude, just verify the connection. So once you're back in Claude.ai, let's make sure everything is connected successfully. So we're going to return to the connectors page. At the top right, you can see that Slack has been connected here. You can see. All right, so to confirm this, click on the customize and then head back to connections or connectors, and you're going to see Slack here. All right, so let's go ahead and close out of this. And we're going to be asking, or rather using Claude to access our Slack account. All right, so now that Slack is connected, Claude can make use of the information from the channels and conversations you've authorized. So we could try a simple prompt. A prompt is an instruction you give to the AI that it follows. So let's go with something like this. Summarize today's Slack conversations and then just go ahead and hit send. So it's going to be pulling the data from our Slack. You can request for a quick answer instead of it, thinking and stuff. Claude will analyze the information it has permission to access and generate a helpful response from your Slack. And then all you need to do after is just manage your Slack connection. So if you want to ever change or remove the connection, you can do that at any point in time. So you can just basically see everything that came in from Slack today. All right, and then if you want to change that, click on customize, click on connectors, click on the Slack option here, and you can just bar it from doing things like reactions, listing channel members, reading a canvas, reading files, reading messages. And if you And if you scroll down a bit more, you can also stop it from sending messages, scheduling, and also creating conversations or creating a canvas. But basically, these are the things that are set by default to fly, like searching for users, searching for messages, searching public messages and files, and emojis. All right, and what's the best way you can use Claude with Slack? Well, summarizing long conversations, finding important messages, tracking action items, draft replies, brainstorming ideas, and reviewing project discussions. All right, guys, so that's how you can connect Slack with Claude. Once you're connected, Claude can help you summarize your conversation, search messages, and organize team discussions. All right, guys, so if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.